Chairman of AMA, Shri C.P. Tripathi ji, President Shri Satish ji Gagriwal, Shri Mansingh ji Pawar, Shri Ravindra Joshi, respected Savi sir, Kavade sir, Murade sir, and so many friends. So it's really, I'm feeling a bit nervous because it's really difficult to, share something to the audience where most of you, I am, they are knowing me, I am knowing them. So it's really difficult to really make a point that I have something very rare to share with all of you. And secondly, there are a lot of people, those who really help us whenever we have difficulties, whenever there are issues, whenever we need any advice. So a lot of mentors are sitting in this audience to whom I approach now and then for getting their advice. So straightway I would really want to say that I am not going to share anything very rare. It is going to be a very only share. So there is no rare share as such. So little background, before getting into this academic profession, you might have seen that white also, the qualified civil engineer. So I have very interesting incidents which occurred to me, just want to share with you. That was my first job after passing engineering. And I opted for that job not because to do job. Right from the beginning, when I started thinking that I had to make my career, I think it was very late when I thought of making my career. But I never thought of doing job anyway. So even the first job which I had joined with the intention that I am going to learn this trade so that I can start my construction company. I was having this dream. So with this intention I have started the first job. And after 5 days of joining that company, the boss has assigned me one job. He said, Mr. Manish, I am going to start this new site, this residential complex. And what you have to do, I have arranged everything, you have to go and give the markup to the labor. So that assignment he has given to me. So I thought I am a civil engineer. Giving markup from the map is a very easy thing. There are labor available. We can do it very easily. And I went on the site with the labor was waiting there. And when I opened up the drawing, before that I was not having any little hint of that how difficult it starts. So the engineer knows that we always read drawing to north direction. So I was not carrying any instrument which can tell me that the north is on this side. So it was such a difficult thing to really read that drawing and find out where is north. So somehow, finally, few of the people, those who are from that area, they helped me, sir, this Purv hai, this Pachchim hai, north hai. So with a little judgment, I started that assignment, and actually it was marking of roads and open road. And it is, if you see practically, this is assignment of just 10 to 15 minutes. And it took me 6 hours to complete that assignment. And it started with great embarrassment when labor is seeing, everybody is seeing, you are an engineer, very big engineer. And you are not knowing how to really mark out the things. And it's very difficult to draw a 90 degree without having any geometric instrument available with you on the site. So with that embarrassment I started my career, and it was great, but I did it finally after putting 6 hours time. And that 6 hours was really great learning, and entire ego of being civil engineer, everything by that time has gone. And I thought that this is really something which we have to really, as if starting from zero kind of thing. That was the feeling. But yes, at the end there was feeling of accomplishment also. There's a positive thing. And that is how I started my first job. So meanwhile doing that job, we were also thinking to do something, in higher education. myself and my wife, which we both. So we were having opportunity to do construction management program, and there we got admission. Bijli was getting admission in Pune, and I was having offer of Delhi College, NICMAR, the National Institute of Construction Management and Research, the construction management program. And then finally thought, no, we are not going to have education at two different places. So parallelly also we were thinking to do some course. There was one course in valuation, and it's the only one place in the entire country those who are offering valuation. It is Birla Vishwakarma Mahavidyalaya. Now it is known as ISTAR, Institute of Science and Technology for Advanced Studies and Research. From there, we both have completed our PG program. I did my master's in valuation with specialization of plant and machinery, and she did in real estate. And as I rightly mentioned earlier that I was not having intention at any given point of time to do job. So this was a wonderful thing which I did, and with that I started the consultancy in Delhi. And I was lucky enough, immediately after passing my PG program, I got a job. That was also my first job to do valuation of Kolkata domestic and international airport. So it was 7 days assignment, and I learned a lot. And thereafter, you might be remembering, most of the people who were sitting here, at that time government was disinvesting in their investment in the public sector undertaking. And we, classmates, we thought, why not to apply in all these, bidding system to do the valuation. So Balco, Bharat Aluminum Corporation, so that issue, got a lot of popularity. It's all negative popularity. That government is selling their assets on throwaway prices, and it is going to be very bad for the workers and all those things. And every entire process was, it was not moving forward. And that was the time when we applied the bid. It was a Hindustan Zinc Limited bid, and we applied and we got that assignment. And from thereafter we did lot of assignments. Hindustan Zinc, Hindustan Copper, Computer Maintenance Corporation, Sambar Lake, Rajasthan, and lot many assignments, and modern foods, and all of this assignment has given me a great exposure, and looking to a big smelters, when we started Dawari plant, Hindustan Zinc Limited plant, when we started that valuation, it was such a huge plant. It took me 2 days to first understand from where to start the work. So that kind of exposure was really great exposure which I got it during my